Hey everybody, welcome back. I've got kind of a special episode here. I'm actually in the process of going to see Brian and pick up that Porsche Panamera and see our project that is now in his hands and talk to him about that. But the really cool thing is I was able to stop here in Austin and see this guy here. There's Dale. Whoa. And I'm going to kill myself in Dale's garage. So this is Dale's Aventador project. He's got the body over here and he's working on the frame and just recently got the engine running. Is that right?
I did.
Yeah.
In fact, it sounds really sweet.
Yeah, it does. All right, let her rip. And Dale is somebody that I have been watching since I started and really have learned a lot from his fabrication skills. So I will put a link to his channel. You should watch his build. He does some really incredible work on his car. And again, we've learned a ton from doing some of the things he's done. And what did you do back in the day? What was kind of what got you into this?
Well, let's see. I started off by building a Sterling, and then Bradley GT2.
Not me.
No, the old Sterling, the whole thing came up like that. And then I built a Bradley GT2. Then I built a IFG's Phantom Roadster was my first Lamborghini.
Cool.
And then I actually built the Diablo 6.0, which won lots of prizes. That was the first one built on a replica chassis. And then I did an SV for another customer, and then I built a Lotus Super 7 with a Honda S2000 running gear. And then this is probably my last and final project. But as far as I have an associate's degree in civil engineering, I learned video. I used to do video training, worked in IT procurement for the city of Austin. So we've just kind of been self-learned.
Cool.
We built the house.
Wow.
And we installed all our solar panels and stuff like that. So
Nice.
I kind of like trying to figure things out, like linkage and how to make this thing work. And so far, so good.
Yeah, and Dale's actually responsible, as I've probably told you guys many times, for those hinges on the doors. That really just made the doors less of the bane of my existence, which they were back in the day. And he's got this body here that he's done a lot of modifications to. Dale is also the one where I think I learned from the fact that don't chase something if it sucks and you hate it. Just fix it. So
Lots of fixing.
Lots of fixing, yeah. But you're mostly known for your Diablos, is that right?
Yeah.
Yeah. So I'll put a link down in the description. You guys can check out some of his work there. But we really appreciate you letting me come down and check this out. This is awesome.
I'm glad you were able to stop by. So.
All right. Thank you.
Well, I want to say thank you, Sterling. I appreciate doing good business with you. The Porsche by now is in Colorado, and the McLaren project has made its way to Texas, where it's the beginning of December and it's sunny and hot outside. Anywho, I want to say again, thank you, Sterling. Thank you, Dale. Appreciate you guys. I appreciate you, Sterling, for making this deal go down. I know you're going to take real good care of the Porsche, do whatever you got to do with it and have fun with it. And I appreciate you trusting in me finishing up the McLaren and with the help of you and Dale, and whoever else. I would appreciate all the help I could get, to be honest. Um, I started messing around with it today and the last couple of days, and I'm pretty excited. My kids excited. I've been looking for a project like this, and I appreciate the opportunity. Again, I want to say thank you, and I will hopefully be starting a channel soon that I could keep everybody that's interested on the build that Sterling started, me completing it. With that being said, keep your fingers crossed for me. Again, I'm gonna need all the help and encouragement that I could get.
Brian's a really good guy, and I think he's going to do the project justice. Bittersweet seeing it go, but we'll be back. Thanks, Brian. Well, guys, I'm here in Texas, kind of in the middle of nowhere. And, well, we're over here having some fun driving this Porsche. Give you a sight of, oh, look, a truck. Yay, that's exciting. That's actually the wind farm off in the distance. That's kind of cool. Lots of windmills out here in North Texas. Anyway, things are going pretty good. We're cruising along here, so hope the car holds together. It's on our way to Amarillo, where I'm gonna see my niece, who's got some property there with her fiance. So looking forward to seeing them. It's been a while. Anyway, stay with us on the trip. Oh boy, that's pretty straight. Anyway, we're north of Amarillo, heading towards Colorado. So hopefully we'll see you on the other side. Well, New Mexico. And scenery's improving a little bit. We still have a few hours to go, like 4 hours or so. About to get to Interstate 25. So a little bit slower in New Mexico, but doing pretty well. So see you soon. And there off in the distance are the beautiful Rocky Mountains. Sight for sore eyes. Well, everybody, after 7 hours, here I am. We got this baby home. So I gotta say, it performed flawlessly. I do want to do with this project basically a Matt Armstrong light. If you don't know who he is, I'll put a link down in the description. But yeah, this car has a couple accidents, and so it's crash damaged. We're going to go over the good, the bad, and the ugly and see what we can do about that. Anyway, let's take a look. So the good news is that most of the car is in very good shape. And so also the engine is working really well. All the glass, it's got nice tint to it. And, you know, frankly, for a Porsche, I am not a big Porsche fan, but I gotta say, I kind of do like the style. I mean, I've never been a 911 fan, but I kind of like this look. Let me know what you guys think. It's pretty awesome for a four-door. But let's take a listen to the engine. And as you saw on the drive, the engine's running perfectly. It sounds good. Been really happy with it. Most of the stuff in here works. So now let's get on to the bad. The bad is that, as you can see, there's a lot of errors coming up. A lot of faults. There were 50 when I originally scanned it when I was at Brian's house. I did do a quick erase and got 7 back. So not too bad. TPMS sensor's down. I've got an airbag light. And then I've got a bunch of these other issues that we can roll through. So in this case I get 5, but the brake pads in the back are worn, so those will come up as you're driving the car for a while. Anyway, let's go on to the ugly. So that's part of the ugly. You can see the dash is, well, it's missing its leather, so need to order a new dash for that. Some of this stuff up here doesn't work, so we're gonna have to go into that and fix it, see if there's some blown fuses or whatnot. Most everything else works. One of the things that is a bit of an issue is that this DRL does not come on at night. So that's gonna, I mean, it's great during the day, but at night it doesn't really come on. And maybe that's not supposed to, but the 2 headlights are acting differently. Here's part of the ugly. That's the front damage. The hood is creased, so I gotta get a new hood. This stuff is a little scuffed and a little pushed in. I think I can fix that with basically some body work, and potentially can push this out with maybe a heat gun or something and get that looking good. I need a new one of these sprayer caps, maybe the sprayer itself. Need to fix a crack down there and the front splitter. Got all this crazing along here, so that's going to need some paint work. The wheels and tires look really good. They're probably about halfway through their life. The brake pads are history. They need to be replaced. Come back down here, you can see the bumper doesn't fit, and the reason is because the bumper's been pretty much wasted. It's been pushed in the exhaust, so we're going to need an exhaust tip, potentially a muffler behind that, and also going to need a new lift gate. And the lift gate, as you can see, there's a huge gap here, and it's closed up here, so it's been shoved to the side. And then you can also see the C-pillar has been impacted as well. So those are the things that need to get fixed. She needs a good detail, and then I think this car will be an awesome find. So probably keep it for a while after we fix everything, but I'm going to walk you guys through the process. Well, everyone, I hope you enjoyed our little adventure video. A big thanks again to Dale for hosting me at his shop and showing me his project, and we had a good time chatting. And also thanks to Brian for swapping out projects so that he can have what he wants, I can have what I want, and I can do something different. The damage on the Porsche is such that we're probably going to have to, again, do the Matt Armstrong thing light. Remove the rear end, get it all fixed, and get all the bends out of it. And then get the car back together, you know, doing all of those things that I showed you. Still working on the SVJ, so we'll do some updates there probably next time. Doing a lot of the carbon fiber work and things of that nature. So anyway, stay tuned. Let me know what you guys think about the new project. And you guys stay safe out there. Take care. See you next time. Bye.